Hi, we're about to build a strip grazing fence off a contemporary or an existing electric fence. We're going to use these Polywire products. This first product is a Polywire 500 metres long. We will not need the whole length, but we'll use it in a display. And the tread-ins, or what we call a pigtail tread-in. Okay, we'll space them across the paddock evenly for our strip grazing. And to connect it to the existing fence, we will use a gate brake. The first thing we're going to do is place the tread-ins across the paddock you're going to strip graze, just evenly spacing them, just like that. Slowly working out a rough spacing. Quick and simple. Okay. Next, we need to run our Polywire across the paddock. First of all, I'll tie on a gate brake, which I will connect to the existing electric fence. Simple knot. We won't put on the electric fence yet because it'll be live, of course. So let's run the wire across, and we can put it through the loops while we're going. Quick and simple. All we're going to do now at the end of the run is take some off, get our cutters out, just cut that like that, and we're just going to tie it on to the insulator part of the tread-in. Okay, now we'll go back down the other end and liven it up. Now our portable fence is live.